America, then Jennifer, then Gabriel.
Why is the line straight? The line is straight because the number of crimes increased.
Okay. I'm going to challenge you to think, can you be more specific? Jennifer?
The line is straight because it's only going up by 300.
I'm going to challenge you to, can you say more about that? Gabriel?
It is straight because it is always increasing by 300 every 100,000.
You see how we kind of, each person kind of build upon what the last person said? So America said it's always increasing. Jennifer said it's always increasing by 300. Or no, you said it's just increasing by 300. And then Gabriel said it's increasing by 300 for every 100,000 people. But the idea that I got from that is that it's increasing by the same amount every time. How many people said something like that in their paper? Kind of. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. I'm going to fill in my blank. The line is straight because the change is constant. That means that every time we go over 3 of these boxes on the graph, we go up 2 boxes. Because 3 boxes over is going to be 100,000 people. And 2 boxes up is going to be 300 crimes. So we're moving the same amount on the graph over and up each time. And actually, now that you know that, you can kind of cheat when you're graphing. And Juan was actually doing this before we even learned about it, which is totally cool. You can just now, instead of going and looking at these teeny tiny numbers, you can just count over 1, 2, 3 boxes, count up 2 boxes, and plot your points that way. And it goes way faster that way, which is kind of cool. I want everybody to do one thing before we flip over. I want you to take 2 points, the last 2 points on your line, and I want you to just label that you move over 3 and up 2. So that we can remember that's what you do every single time to get from one point to the next. Right, Robert's got that labeled on his graph. Angel's got that labeled on his graph. Melissa is labeling that on her graph. We are ready to flip over, but first we have a question, Moses.
Does it always have to go over 3 times?
Yeah, that's a really good question. I'm going to ask you to keep thinking about that question. And you might be able to answer it yourself today. If not, we're definitely going to answer that tomorrow. Okay. Let's look at proficiency levels from